Hi, it's Trey with How and Trey Go Too Far. Today we're making homemade butter. Yes, it's quick, but I don't know about easy. But friends, you will only need two ingredients: heavy whipping cream and salt. And of course you will need your utensils. You ready? Let's go. Pour it in and let's blend, blend, blend. All right, that's round one. Round two. Should be looking like fluffy whipping cream here. Let's keep going, my friends. Round three. Ay, ay, ay. Oh no, look at the mess I made. It can get a little messy, friends. And that's why you saw the paper plate I had. It was going to be a hack, but it's okay. I didn't need it. Let's keep moving forward. So far, this is the consistency where we're at. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain off the buttermilk. And that's what that is, buttermilk. That'll make some good old-fashioned biscuits. Okay, here you see me skimming off more of that buttermilk. Now, had it worked the way I wanted it to, I would be doing what they call washing the butter. That means getting rid of all that buttermilk out of the fat. But since that's not happening, we're going to work with what we have, and we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, friends, I am a little disappointed with the consistency right now, but we're just going to work with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to store what I have overnight, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Ta-da! It's not so bad. Granted, it's not the consistency it should be, but let me show you how to turn a bad situation into something useful and good, friends. I think this is beautiful. Now, if you made this butter along with me and you got perfect butter, first, congratulations. Maybe you can show me where I went wrong. But I think the takeaway today, friends, is that even good cooks don't always make the perfect dishes. Be easy on yourself, okay? Now, let's take a taste. Tastes like butter to me. Wow, that's good. Thanks for watching.